Hi, I'm Kevin from Ozofresh, and today we're in a 2-bedroom static caravan, and we're going to be talking about 2 of our products to help eliminate odours that holiday makers will leave behind. Ozone is one of the world's strongest sanitising agents, and it's produced in these machines by effectively taking the air in the room, running it across an ozone plate and producing ozone that then is distributed around the caravan. When it's being distributed around the caravan, it attacks the molecules that are creating the odours or the bacteria or the viruses and simply destroys them. It does not mask like chemical cleaners do. Let's introduce you to the first of 2 products, and that's the Ozofresh plug-in. This is simply to be used in light background odours that the holiday makers have left behind. It's a small device, plug it into your wall socket and just let it run. 2 to 3 hours, if you have the luxury of time, it will freshen the caravan. If you return to the caravan and you can smell the ozone over and above the odour that you were removing, then the plug-in has done its job. That's the Ozofresh plug-in. Suitable for light odours and when you've got the luxury of time between occupancies. Now, if you don't have the luxury of time and you're under pressure because the next holiday maker is arriving and you've come across a strong odour such as cigarettes or cannabis or dog urine, fried food or whatever it may be, then you need to deploy this machine. The Eclipse Pro can sanitise the whole of this caravan in less than an hour. If the problem area of the odour is in the front part here in the lounge, you can actually do this in 30 minutes, providing you have the central door closed, and the same at the rear of the caravan, the bedroom area. You could again, providing the door is closed, deploy the Eclipse Pro at the rear of the caravan to deal with any odours that may be in the bedrooms. Okay, so let's see how we use this. So simply plug in the lead to the wall socket, switch on the switch at the mains, and then at the reverse of the machine you have an on-off button. Switch it on, a green light will illuminate, and that will activate the keyboard on the top for your time selection. So if we're going to do the whole of this caravan, we need to push the 60-minute. The machine will start up, you will hear the fan, and the ozone will start to generate. Once the machine is finished and you've come back into the caravan, you'll have that smell of ozone, that fresh smell, which is perfectly normal and perfectly safe. However, as we've said, you cannot be in this caravan when it's in full operation. And this brings us to a couple of health and safety issues. If for any reason you need to come in whilst the machine is running, to turn the machine off, simply touch the same time program again and the machine will stop running. If for any reason you take in a little bit of ozone and it starts to give you a headache or a sore throat, it's not going to harm you. All you need to do is step outside, take some fresh air, possibly a small amount of water, and within a couple of minutes you'll be absolutely fine. In terms of the plug-in, there are no health and safety issues. This is producing low levels of ozone, perfectly safe to be used in an occupied area. So there we are, 2 ozone machines that will destroy odours in an environmentally friendly way without the use of chemicals, without masking. If you have any questions or you come across any odours that are tough to remove and you need further advice, do get in touch with us either through phone or through email or through the website.